Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make a Google Drive to share pictures. Here are the steps to make a Google Drive folder to share pictures. First, open the Google Drive app. Tap the Google Drive icon on your mobile phone. Sign in if needed. Make sure you're logged in with the Google account you wanted to use. Tap the plus or add button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Folder. Tap Folder to create a new folder for your pictures. Name the folder. Enter a folder name, for example, Vacation Photos or Family Album. Tap Create. The new folder will now appear in your drive. Open the new folder. Tap on it to enter the folder. Upload pictures. Tap the plus or add button again. Choose Upload. Select your pictures from your phone's gallery. Then tap Select. Wait for Upload to complete. Ensure all images finish uploading before sharing. Open sharing options. Tap the three dots beside the folder. Select Share. Add people to share with. Enter email addresses of the people you want to share with. Then hit the Send button. Set permissions. Tap the three dots. Then tap Change. Hit Restricted. Then tap Anyone with the link. Choose whether they're viewer, commenter, or editor of the folder. Send the invite or copy the link. Tap Copy Link to share via messaging apps. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.